Hi everyone and welcome to another tutorial of Newbie Matter. Today we are going to talk about one important function in Excel, VLOOKUP. This function is used to find a value and see if this value exists in another range of values. So I've prepared a file, and in this little amount of rows it would be very easy to tell, but imagine having tables with thousands of rows and dozens of columns. That would be hard to spot. That's where VLOOKUP comes in handy. So I've prepared a table with the customers that has prepaid and with the customers that I'm attending today. Now I want to check if the customers have paid in advance or will pay today. I'm just going to type the equal sign and then type VLOOKUP and then click in the cell that I want to check. Comma sign, and I would select the cells that I want to make the change. So I want to check these cells, but it will be better, I will suggest you select the column B and C, as you can add more customers. So I selected the column B and C. I will put the comma sign again, and the value that I want to check is in the column number 2, but if your value is in column number 1, you're going to type 1. In this case I'm going to type 2, since the value is in the column number 2. I'm going to put the comma sign again, and I'm going to select false. So if else, false. I'm going to close the parenthesis and then just enter. So I can see that the customer number 3 has paid today $120. I will just drag and drop, and I can see the customers that have paid today the amount. Now you can notice that there are as well some not applicable values, which means that these customers, I'm attending them to make the payment today. To make it more comfortable, to make it more beautiful for the eyes, there's another function in Excel. It's called IFERROR, and it's done in this way, by just typing the equal sign, the VLOOKUP formula again. I'm going to select again the customer number 3, comma sign, columns B and C, comma sign again. I'm going to type number 2, comma sign, false, and close the parenthesis. Just enter. Now in Excel you can merge different formulas, and this is the same thing that we are going to do even right now. I'm just going to type after the equal sign if error. So if this formula gives us an error, in this case a not applicable value, it's going to be, I'm going to put a sentence or a word. I'm going just to put a word in this case, attending, to make it more comfortable for the eyes, as I explained. Just enter the formula, just click yes, drag and drop, and we can notice that there are some customers that I am attending to make the payment today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for other videos. Thank you very much.